How to send a view once photo on Facebook Messenger. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily send a view once photo on Facebook Messenger app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Messenger app and open the chat where you want to send a photo. So once you do that, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the chat. Then click on the photo icon right here or the gallery icon. Now from here, just select the photo that you want to send as a view once photo. And you don't want to tap on this send option right here. So what you're going to do is tap on edit first, and it will open up this setting where you have an option to edit your photo. And what you can do is click on this one icon right here, which is a view once photo. Once you turn it on, your view once photo will be sent. Now just tap on send, and this view once photo is now sent. So once they open up the photo, it will be self-destructed, and they can no longer view the photo again. So if you want to do the same with your camera, just tap on camera and then click a picture. Now you can just click a picture, and if you want to send it as a view once photo, just tap on this, view once, and then tap on send, and you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.